I built this product that you are looking on my screen now in less than 10 minutes. So, and I'm going to show you step by step how to build this. This is the main product, okay? This is the main product. I'm going to show you how I do this. I was able to do this. So these are the category, these are the transactions, these are the monthly summary, and this is the dashboard. This is what we call charts. You can see this is chart. As you are pressing it over there, it will be reflect here. So the first thing we are going to do is to discover our product. And as you can see on my screen, I have some tons of list of products. This is ChatGPT. Okay, I'm on ChatGPT right now. I said, give me list of the digital products on a template spreadsheet and tracker. Okay, so on my ChatGPT, there is a way I set it up so it cannot give me nonsense. So this is what it gave me. So it gave me a lot. You can see on my screen right now. These are products that I can create and be selling. These are products, and there are many. So this is not ebook. We call it template and spreadsheet. Okay, it is used for many things. You can see this one, personal budget spreadsheet. This one is pay off debt tracker. This one is save you go calculator. This one is network tracker. This one is expenses tracker. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to build this one after the other, and I will tell you why these things are selling. So first thing we need to do, let's go and find out, are people really looking for this product? Is this product accessible? Is this product solving a particular problem? So let's go to Google and let's go and find out something. Just going to pick expenses tracker. That is the one that we are going to build, and let's see that if people are actually looking for this every single day. Okay, so I'm going to change this country to worldwide. So let me put it on worldwide, and let's see what happens. I'll go to put it in the past 3 months. Let's see, people are actually looking for this in the past 3 months. Okay, so as you can see, people are looking for this. This is not a year report. This is a month report. This means people are searching for this every single day. You can see, okay, you can see. So now that we confirm that people are actually looking for this product, let's go and actually build our product. Okay, so when we build our product, there is a lot of place to listen this, but let's go and do the build first. So if you have been watching on my video when it comes to creating digital product, I have only one tool that is helping me out. So it is called Digital Maker. So Digital Maker is where I use to get my prompts. Okay, I use it for my prompt, and it's very okay. It's a very good AI tools that has helped me a lot. So I'm just going to sign in. It's been a while I'm here. Maybe that's the reason. Okay, I'm just going to sign in, and let's see how it goes. I will sign in, and I want to show you something really crazy. Okay, so they are verifying me that I'm not a robot. So let me just click it down one. And as you can see, I am on Digital Maker now. So the first thing I'm going to do is to select tools. What kind of tools that I'm going to use to build this product? I'm going to choose Claude because this is my favorite when it comes to building digital product. I'm going to press on create product, and when I press on create product, I'm going to select spreadsheet. Okay, and I will scroll down and I will say next. Okay, so they are going to ask me a question. Mostly these questions I don't answer. Okay, so I will go to ChatGPT. I will copy the question. That's what I do. I'll copy the question and I'll go to ChatGPT. New chat. I'll open a new chat and I will say, hey, I want to create a spreadsheet. So there have been some questions that I needed to answer. So you do the answer. You do the answer for me. Okay. Question 1 below. I'll put this product. Okay. I'll put products, and I'll said expenses tracker. Okay, that's what I want to build. It's an expenses tracker. and I will send it. Okay, I will send it, and I send it, and I just have to wait. He said the main purpose is to help people track easily, organize and analyze their income and expenses, monitor spending habits, manage budget and improve savings. So I'm just going to copy this and I will take it to digital maker and I will send it. So it's asking me, maybe I want to create a Google Sheet or Microsoft Word or Notion database. So I'm going to go with Google Sheet. That more is fun. Okay. So he asked me, I will press on automated calculation, okay, because I want it to be automated. So she asked me, is this personal use? So I can actually pick a personal use. You can pick a small business. So I'm going to go with personal use, those who are having this thing. So it's asking me for the virtual. I say clean and minimal. That's what I want. I don't want dark. So let me just put on clean and minimal. And this is the prompt that he actually gave me. So I'm going to copy the prompt. All right, and I'm going to go to Claude. I'm going to go to Claude AI. Claude AI. So when I go to Claude AI, my job now is to paste that prompt inside Claude AI. And once I'm done with that, I just let Claude AI do the job for me. Okay, so let me paste the prompt. I send it now. It has started working. Okay, it has started working, as you guys can see. So it's going to ask me some questions I may need to answer. So that's one thing about Claude AI. So it's going to ask me questions that I need to answer. So it's telling me something that he said, master template, auto populated period sheet, blah blah blah. Shalom. It's telling me that architecture. He said 3 broken. Okay, architecture is broken in 3 places. Fix this before you build anything. And I said, fix it for me. I would say, fix it for me. So that's what I do. I don't stress myself. I would say, fix it for me. So I will send it. You fix it. You know that there is a problem there. You should know how to fix it. So I told you, fix it for me. And he's fixing it now. Okay. So, and they started building. So we just have to wait for it to finish the building. So meanwhile, if you actually build this finish, you can list it on Gumroad, you can list it on Etsy if you are not Nigeria, you can list it on eBay, you can list it on Stanstore, you can list it anywhere. But if you are Africa or you are Nigeria, you can list it on Seller, okay? You can list it on Selfani. So these are places that are allow you to list your product. And as you can see, it actually give me the spreadsheet. You can see it's actually give me the spreadsheet. All right. So let me download it first. Let me download it. You can see this is how to use it. You can see this is a page. The first page here is how to use it. Okay. So the next thing now is just to go to Gemini and tell Gemini, okay, I built a expenses tracker, so it generates me a cover. So I'm just going to do that very quickly. I say, hey there, I build expenses tracker. So design a cover image for me. So I'm just going to send it. Very, very easy. So when I send this, I just have to wait for Gemini to bring me a cover image. This is what he was about to give me. And if you're not satisfied, you can just give it another one. So let me just put it 1.1 ratio. Let me use it that way. This is how to do it. You just have to go on Gumroad or any platform that you choose and you upload it. And when you finally upload it, you grab your niche, you grab your link. When you grab your link and you started sharing and they're promoting your product, as you know, people are looking for this. Those who are looking for this, if they find your product, they may likely buy or check out. So that is how it works. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, my name is Mike. I will see you in my next video.